Ralphie. Look over there. See, the line's not so long. You can go get in it. Now take Randy's hand and hold on to him, and we'll see you later, okay?
Yeah, stay together. Don't get lost.
Okay.
And what do you want?
Come on. Let's go.
Young man. Hey, kid. Just where do you think you're going?
Going up to see Santa.
The line ends here. It begins there.
Merry Christmas, ho, ho. Come on, boys and girls, hurry up. Santa can't wait all night. Let's go.
Oh, no. Come on.
The line waiting to see Santa Claus stretched all the way back to Terre Haute. And I was at the end of it.
Merry Christmas.
I like Santa. Yeah.
Come on, welcome, come on.
Let's face it, most of us were scoffers, but moments before 0 hour, it did not pay to take chances.
Let's go to children! Ethan boy! I'll get you, my pretty! What a tasty little boy!
Don't bother me. I'm thinking. I like the Wizard's eye. Yeah. I like the Tin Man.
If Higby thinks I'm working 1 minute past 9, he can kiss my foot.
Come on up on Santa's lap. Oh, here's a wet one. And what's your name, little boy?
Come on, Randy.
And what do you want for Christmas, Billy? A toy truck. Get him off my lap. Who's wet? Bye, Billy. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, I hate the smell of tapioca.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
9 o'clock? Great Scott, the store's going to close.
Santa can't wait all night. Let's go. Come on up on Santa's lap. Ho, ho, ho.
Get moving, kid! Quit dragging your feet!
Come up. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Up. Ho, ho, ho. Uh-oh. Get him out of here.
Come on, kid.
Ho, ho, ho.
Come on!
Come on up. Come on up. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. And what's your name, little boy?
Hey, kid! Hurry up, the store's closing.
Come on! Listen, little boy, we've got a lot of people waiting here, so get going!
What do you want for Christmas, little boy?
My mind had gone blank. Frantically, I tried to remember what it was I wanted. I was blowing it.
Come on, kid. How about a nice football?
Football? What's a football? Without conscious will, my voice squeaked out,
Football. Okay, get him out of here.
a football? Oh, no! What was I doing? Wake up, stupid! Wake up! No!
No, I want an official red undercover knife to 200 with my rifle.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.